Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, as you know, in the previous session we were discussing we were doing the discussion from the chapter number 10, that is measurement of weight. Okay, so we have discussed some of the topics. We have already discussed actually some of the topic from the chapter number 8. Okay, so in today's session I'm going to start with another topic of the same. Okay, so the topic that we will start in today's session, that will be we were doing in the previous session, I think that we have done up to sum number 6. Okay, so of exercise 10.2, तो हमने sum number 6 तक कर लिया था 10.2 के. So today I'll start with the sum number 7 from the exercise 10.2. So here I'm writing the topic, that is exercise 10.2. Okay, that exercise is 10.2. Okay, and that is the statement sum, that is sum number 7. Okay, so I will start with sum number 7. So the sum number 7 is 1 kg of rice cost 47 rupees and 20 paise. Find the cost of 3 kg of rice, 500 gram of rice, 250 gram of rice and 200 gram of rice. Okay, so now in this the question number 7 is divided into 4 different parts. Okay, so देखिए 4 parts में divide किया है, but the base for all the question is same, where they have given the cost of 1 kg rice. Okay, so here they have mentioned the cost of 1 kg rice. So 1 kg of rice cost rupees 47 rupees and 20 paise. तो 1 kg राइस की कॉस्ट दी है, दैट इज़ 47 रुपीज़ एंड 20 पैसे. और हमें किसकी निकालनी है? वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 kg राइस, 500 ग्राम ऑफ राइस, 250 ग्राम ऑफ राइस एंड 200 ग्राम ऑफ राइस. Okay, so by taking the cost of 1 kg rice as a base, we need to calculate the cost of next 4 different quantity of rice. Okay, so let's do question number 7. Okay, so first thing that is already given here is, that is, okay, तो इसमें देखिए already क्या चीज़ दी हुई है. So in this question the cost of 1 kg rice is given. Okay, so the cost of 1 kg rice they have mentioned, that is 47 rupees and 20 paise. So that means the cost of 1 kg rice is given. Cost of 1 kg rice. Cost of 1 kg rice is given, that is 47 rupees and 20 paise. That is cost of 47 rupees and 20 paise. So this is the cost of 1 kg rice. Okay, so we need to take this as the base. Okay, next we have to find the cost of different quantities of the same rice, starting with the A part. So A part, okay, so in the A part we need to calculate the cost of 3 kg of rice. Okay, so A part में हमें क्या निकालना है? We need to calculate cost of 3 kg of rice. Okay, so cost of 1 kg rice is 47 rupees and 20 paise, and now we need to calculate the cost of 3 kg rice. So देखिए 3 kg rice की cost, ओके, देखिए ये 1 की दी है, यहाँ पे 3 की निकालनी है. सो 1 की दी है, 3 की ज़्यादा होगी कि कम होगी उससे? ऑब्वियसली द प्राइस ऑफ 3 kg राइस विल बी मोर दैन द प्राइस ऑफ 1 kg. ओके, एंड जब कोई कम से कोई ज़्यादा चीज़ निकालनी होती है तो व्हाट वी डू द multiplication. So that means for finding the cost of 3 kg of rice, we are going to multiply the cost of 1 kg rice with 3. Okay, so we need to find cost of 3 kg rice. We need to find the cost of 3 kg rice. हमें 3 kg rice की जो cost है वो निकालनी है. Okay, cost of 3 kg rice we need to calculate. For this we will multiply 47 rupees and 20 paise with 3. ओके, तो 1 की कॉस्ट है 47 रुपीज़ 20 पैसे, तो 3 की कॉस्ट ज़्यादा होगी. सो फॉर दैट वी विल डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो दैट मीन्स वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 47 रुपीज़ 20 पैसे विथ 3. सो दैट इज 47 rupees and 20 paise with 3. Okay, so let's multiply. Okay, that is 47 rupees and 20 paise will be multiplied with 3. So let's multiply it with 3. Okay, so 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are 21, 1, 2 will be carried here, 3 fours are 12 plus 2 that is 14. ओके, देखिए अभी हमारे पास आंसर नहीं आया है बिकॉज वी नीड टू पुट द डेसिमल. ओके, अभी हमें डेसिमल पुट करना है. ओनली आफ्टर दैट आवर सम विल बी कंप्लीटेड. ओके, सो देखिए ऑन द क्वेश्चन वी कैन सी आफ्टर द डेसिमल वी आर हैविंग द 2 डिजिट्स. तो डेसिमल के बाद हमारे पास कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 2. सो इन द सेम एज इन द आंसर आफ्टर लीविंग द 2 डिजिट्स एट द बैक वी विल पुट द डेसिमल हियर. यहाँ पे हम क्या लगाएंगे? डेसिमल, जिसको हम बोलते हैं पॉइंट. सो दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 kg ऑफ राइस. देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 kg ऑफ राइस इज 141 rupees and 60 paise. So that's what we will write here. Therefore cost of 3 kg rice is 141 rupees and 60 paise. Therefore cost of 3 kg rice we have calculated, that is 141 rupees and 60 paise. Okay, so this is the cost of 3 kg rice. Okay, so this is the solution of the A part of question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye, let's move to the B part. Okay, so now we will move to the B part of the sum. Okay, so let's move to the B part. So B part is, now in the B part we need to calculate the cost of 500 gram of rice. Okay, in the B part we need to calculate cost of 500 gram of rice. 500 ग्राम राइस की कॉस्ट हमें निकालनी है. ओके, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg राइस इज 47 rupees and 20 paise. ओके, एंड नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ग्राम राइस. तो देखिए 1 kg की 47 rupees and 20 paise. दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg राइस and we need to calculate the cost of 500 gram rice. So that will be less or more. Generally the cost of 500 gram, ये kg है and this is gram, and the gram is the smaller unit than kg. जो gram है वो kg से छोटी यूनिट होती है. So that means the cost of 500 gram rice will be less or more than 1 kg. Okay, so देखिए the cost of 500 gram rice will be less than cost of 1 kg. For that what will we do? We will do the division. तो देखिए ज़्यादा से कम की कॉस्ट निकालनी है. So that we are moving from more to less. For moving from more to less we will do the division. So that means for calculating the cost of 500 gram of rice we need to divide the cost of 1 kg rice with 500. Clear? So let's calculate cost of 500 gram of rice. Cost of 500 gram of rice is 47 rupees and 20 paise divided by 500. Okay, so for calculating the cost of 500 gram of rice, we will divide the cost of 1 kg rice with 500. Okay, so let's divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 500. Okay, so 47.20. ओके, जब भी हम एडिशन और जब भी हम एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन कुछ भी करते हैं बेटा उस टाइम पर इसको भूल जाइए. ओके, चलिए लेट्स डू द सिंपल. ओके, सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ग्राम ऑफ राइस वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट. ओके, सो चलिए, so for this we will divide 47 rupees 20 paise with 500. ओके, और देखिए चाहे तो आप इसको भी ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं और यू कैन जस्ट डिवाइड इट 500. और एक और तरीका होता है, 500 कैलकुलेशन थोड़ी सी लंबी हो जाएगी. सो 500 ग्राम. ओके, सो फॉर दिस आई जस्ट मेक इट अ वेरी सिंपल कैलकुलेशन. 500 की आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. देखिए 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000 grams. So that means half kg is equal to 500 grams. Okay, so देखिए 500 grams means half kg. So for calculating the cost of this we will divide it with 2. तो देखिए मतलब 500 ग्राम मतलब हाफ ऑफ 1 kg. सो हम अगर सिंपली जो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg राइस है उसको 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, यू कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg राइस. सो दैट मीन्स 500 ग्राम कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ग्राम ऑफ राइस. ओके, वी विल डू दिस. कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ग्राम ऑफ राइस, फॉर दिस वी विल डिवाइड rupees 47 rupees and 20 paise with 2. ओके, तो देखिए 500 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू हाफ के जी. सो दैट मीन्स हाफ के जी मीन्स आधा. सो दैट मीन्स अगर आधा इसका प्राइस आधा कर देंगे, देखिए कि 1 kg राइस की कॉस्ट तो इसका प्राइस अगर हम आधा कर देंगे वी विल गेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ हाफ के जी राइस और 500 ग्राम राइस, बिकॉज हाफ के जी इज इक्वल टू 500 grams. Okay, so let's divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 2. Okay, so let's divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 2. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the cost of half kg or 500 gram of rice. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, nothing is left. Nothing will be left. Okay, so let's divide it with 2. 2 2s are 4, then bring down the 7. Okay, 7. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. So I will just shift it a little bit here. Is equal to 47 rupees and 20 paise divided with 2. Okay, so 7 minus 6 is 1. Now bring down the next, that is 2. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12, nothing will be left. And here we will put the 0 directly here. Okay, so now what is the next? देखिए the question after decimal we are having 2 digits after the decimal. Okay, so that means in the solution as well. Okay, by leaving the 2 digits at the back, we will put a decimal here. Okay, so that will be the cost of half kg or 500 gram of rice. Okay, so 47 rupees and 20 paise divided by 2, that is 23 rupees and 60 paise. 23 rupees and 60 paise. This is the cost of 500 gram of rice. So here we will write therefore cost of, sorry I have just made, that is 22. Therefore cost of 500 gram or half kg rice is 23 rupees and 60 paise. Okay, therefore the cost of 500 gram or half kg rice is 23 rupees and 60 paise. Okay, so in spite of dividing this cost of 1 kg rice with 500, that वो बेटा बहुत ही लंबी calculation that will be, and this is not yet the part of your syllabus, so you can just simply just add it like this. तो ऐसे add करके you can do the calculation. Okay, so we can do the calculation like this. So cost of 500 gram or half kg rice is 23 rupees and 60 paise. Okay, so this is the solution of the B part from the question number 7. Okay, let's move to question number, let's move to the C part of the same question. So let's move to the C part. Okay, now again, for making the answer simple, we can just make them a fraction. The C part is, in the C part, we need to calculate the cost of 250 gram of rice. Okay, now we will need to calculate 250 gram of rice. Okay, for this we will need to calculate the cost of 250 gram of rice. So the cost of 250 gram of rice is, okay, so 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So that means 250 gram is equal to 1000 upon 250. Sorry, 250 upon, okay, so देखिए 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So that means 250 gram is equal to 250 upon 1000. 250 upon 1000. Okay, so 250 divided by 1000. Okay, इसको आप divide करेंगे बेटा. So 250 divided by 1000. So 250 divided by 1000, that will be 1 upon 4. Okay, जब आप इसको divide करेंगे, that 250 gram is 1/4. देखिए यहाँ तो आपको हो सकता है इसमें थोड़ा doubt हो, you can just simply write 250. In spite of writing this, 250 gram is equal to 1 upon 4 kg. 250 gram is equal to 1 upon 4 kg. Okay, so 250 gram is 1 upon 4 kg. So now let's calculate the cost of 250 gram of rice. Okay, so now we will calculate the cost of 250 gram of rice. This is what we need to calculate here. So for calculating the cost of 250 gram of rice, what will we do? We will divide the cost of 1 kg rice with 4. देखिए that is 1/4 ना. Okay, तो 250 gram rice की cost निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will divide the cost of 1 kg rice, that is 47 rupees and 20 paise with 4. Okay, so now we will divide it with 4. Okay, so for calculating the cost of 250 gram of rice. Okay, so let's do the division here. Okay, so I am doing the division part here. That is 47 rupees and 20 paise divided by 4. Okay, so we will divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 4. So 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, nothing will be left. Now we will break down the 7 here. 4 ones are again 4. Okay, so 7 minus 4 is 3. Now bring down the next digit, that is 2. That is 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32, nothing is left. So that means we are having a 0 here. So we will bring it here. Okay, but now still the solution is not completed yet. Okay, so देखिए in the question, after the decimal we are having 2 digits. So here in the answer as well, we will leave the two digits at the back. Okay, and put a decimal here. Okay, so this is the cost of 250 gram of rice. So that means that is 11 rupees and 80 paise. Okay, that is 11 rupees and 80 paise. 11 rupees and 80 paise. So this is the cost of 250 gram of rice. So the 11 rupees and 11 rupees and 80 paise. This is the cost of 250 gram of rice. So that's what we will write in the solution sentence. Therefore, cost of 250 gram of rice is 11 rupees and 80 paise. Therefore, cost of 250 gram of rice is 11 rupees and 80 paise. So, this is the cost of 250 gram of rice. So, देखिए 250 1000 का is 1/4. So, 250 is a 1/4 of 1000. Okay, so that is 250 gram is equal to 1/4 kg. So, cost of 250 gram, what will we do? We will divide the cost with 4. So, after calculating it, we got the answer, that is 11 rupees and 80 paise. Clear? So, this is the solution of the C part from the question number 7. Okay, now let's move to the question number, let's move to the D part of the same. Okay, so now in the D part, we need to calculate the cost of 200 gram of rice. So now we need to calculate the cost of 200 gram of rice. Okay. So let's calculate the cost of 200 gram of rice. That is the D part. 200 gram of rice. Okay. So for 200 gram means 1/5 kg. 200 gram means 1/5 kg. Okay. So let's calculate the 200 gram or 1/5 kg. Okay. So cost of 200 gram or 1/5 kg of rice. Cost of 200 grams or 1/5 kg of rice. Okay, this is what we need to calculate. For this, we will divide cost of 1 kg rice, that is 47 rupees and 20 paise with 5. Okay, so let's do the division here. So let's divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 5. So let's divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 5. Okay, chaliye 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So 47 minus 45, that will be 2, and here nothing will be here. Let's bring down the 2 next. So 5 4s are 20, 22 minus 20, that will be 2 again. Now bring down another one, that is 20. 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 20, nothing will be left. Okay, so after calculation we got 944. But in the question after this, after the decimal, we are having the 2 digits. So that's what we will do here also in the answer as well. Okay. Okay. So देखिए 944 in the question after decimal we are having 2 digits. So in the solution as well, by leaving the 2 digits at the back, we will put a decimal here. Okay. So now this is 9.44, or this is the cost of 1/5 kg or 200 gram of rice. That is 9 rupees and 44 paise. That's what we will write in the solution sentence. Therefore, cost of 200 gram, therefore cost of 200 gram or 1/5 kg of rice is, therefore cost of 200 gram or 1/5 kg of rice is 9 rupees and 44 paise. 9 rupees or 44 paise. So this is the cost of 200 gram of rice. Okay. So cost of 1 kg हमारे पास दी हुई थी. While taking the base of that, we have calculated the cost of 200 gram of rice, that is 9 rupees and 44 paise. Okay. चलिए, moving next to the E part. Okay, so in the E part we need to calculate the cost of 100 gram of rice. Okay, so we need to calculate the cost of 100 gram of rice. So let's do the last part, that is 100 gram of rice. That is the E, that is 100 gram of rice. Okay, so here the cost of 1 kg rice is 47 rupees and 20 paise, and we need to calculate the cost of 100 grams of rice. So that means 100 grams is equal to 1 upon 10 kg. 100 grams is equal to 1 upon 10 kg. So for that we need to calculate the cost of 1 upon 10 kg of rice. So we need to calculate the cost of 1 upon 10 kg of rice. So for calculating the cost of 1 upon 10 kg of rice or 1/10 kg of rice, we will divide the cost of 1 kg of rice with 10. So that means we will divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 10. Okay, so we will divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 10 for calculating the cost of 100 gram or 1 upon 10 kg of or 1/10 kg of rice. Clear? So the cost of 1 kg rice was 47 rupees and 20 paise, and we have to calculate the cost of 100 grams of rice. Okay, so let's divide. The next step is, now we will divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 10. We will divide 47 rupees and 20 paise with 10. 10 fours are 40. 47 minus 40, here will be 7. Now bring down the 2, that is 72. Okay, so 10 sevens are 70. 10 sevens are 70. 72 minus 70, that will be 2. Okay, now last digit we are having here, that is 2. So that is 0. So 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20. So 20 minus 20, nothing will be left. So here we have calculated, so here we have got the answer, that is 472. Okay, but still we need to put the decimal here as well. Okay, so as we can see in the question, after the decimal we are having the 2 digits. So as in the solution as well, after leaving the 2 digits at the back, we will put a decimal here. Okay, and that will be the cost of 100 gram of rice. Okay, that is 4 rupees and 72 paise. 4 rupees and 72 paise. This is the cost of 1 upon 10 or 1/10 kg of rice. So that's what we have calculated here. Okay, so let's write down the solution sentence. Therefore, cost of 100 gram or 1/10 kg of rice is 4 rupees and 72 paise. Therefore, cost of 100 gram or 1/10 kg of rice is 4 rupees and 72 paise. Okay. So this is the solution of the last part of the question number 7. Okay. So class, in this topic, in this sum, we have calculated the cost of different quantities of rice. Okay, by taking the base of the cost of 1 kg of rice. Okay, and this is the last part that we have done. Okay, in which we have calculated the cost of 100 grams of rice. Okay, so for calculating the 100 gram cost of 100 gram of rice, okay, we need to put first of all write it into the fraction. Okay, so 100 gram is equal to 1 upon 10 kg. Okay, and then we have calculated the cost of 100 gram of rice. Okay, so this is the solution of the E part. Okay, so with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.